Y'all be out here at the nail shop. Why we waiting on these folks to come? It is 9 o'clock. That's best friend. Look at vlogging. It's better. I was supposed to vlog my day and I forgot about it, but we are at Pickle Barrel. For my southerners who live in Georgia who know about Pickle Barrel, there are four locations. Yay, small town girl. Yay. Yeah. I suck at vlogging, I'm sorry. So hey Zeke, look. So y'all know I was supposed to be vlogging. I suck at vlogging. We just finished counting some coins I was saving. Y'all don't sleep on the coin challenges. All your spare change, you need to save it because it adds up. It really does. So anybody else gotta compete for their man attention with their dog? Y'all see this?
Watch out, bro.
Done it to where you can see the full length of me installing my hair.
Is that what you want?
Yes, I'm not talking about legs. What you just busting their hair like that for? You being weird. What you busting? You bust in here. You didn't open the door.
Yeah, I'm sitting my hair there.
That's what I thought. Don't get no whooping.
Go get him.
Because you know better. No. Thank you.
Kill him.
No. Listen to me.
Kill him. Kill him.
You see, he just sitting there. Stop.
Like,
Off the bed.
go kill him.
Y'all, this is my last one. You're interrupted. And here we are. trying to get you out. Sorry. Hey beauties, so it is Thursday. This is my very first week vlog, so you know, bear with me. I would definitely plan on having a little more content next week, because I just kind of wanted to test it out to see what type of you know, energy I want to give you all with my life, and kind of like a glimpse into my life. So you know, this is the beginning stage. I plan on posting vlogs weekly, probably on Friday or Saturdays of the week that previously passed. So bear with me. Bear with me. It's gone. It's gonna do what it do. So I am at Walmart currently. It's about 11 o'clock, and I just wanted to get out the house and get a couple of things that we needed. I needed some hangers, just a couple of little knick-knack paddywhacks, you know, little things just that you need. I don't plan on being here too long, because I have a lot of like things to get done. I have to clean. I want to kind of reorganize like little things, so hopefully we're in and out. Who is really ever in and out? But Walmart, I try to be in and out, because I know I'll just get to looking around like I don't need that. I plan on doing a little thrifting today. I cleaned out my closet. I'm gonna be taking some items to Plato's, so it's gonna be a very productive day. I kind of want to do something different to my hair, so I may come on and show you guys that. But let's get this Thursday popping. I really love this product. It's really good as like a face moisturizer. They also have the minis. I have the mini. You can also find them at Target, but this is amazing. So since I've been gaining weight, I kind of have a few stretch marks, and I've been trying to find a product that's going to help me kind of, you know, tame them bad boys, because I hate it. But I've been seeing a lot about Eucerin, and I'm just trying to keep doing some research, but we'll see. Did y'all know Walmart got the even? The freaking even. I'm out here solo dolo in these Atlanta streets. Let me get my ass inside, because